We are employees with heavy workloads and tremendous responsibilities. Our job is difficult, but our happiness is bliss, because we are the mobile concrete pump operators who contributed in every secure building in Turkey. We do our job with love and great care. We start by checking the vehicles and equipment that we use. We do the following: check the step-on-pad's movable head and cap bolts. Check the outrigger release manual locks that prevent outriggers from opening while driving. Check the clamp and wedges of hopper front consoles. Check and close the bottom cap of the hopper. Check the rear bumper and mountings. Visually check to see if the booms are seated on the boom supports and manually check the same location. Check the fixing of the step on support blocks to the chalk stand. Check the tires. Check the shaft bolts. Check the chassis lugs and bolts. Check the side protection bars. Check the safety joiner clips of the clamps in the concrete pipeline. Visually inspect other clamp joiner pins. Fill the water tank. Check the hydraulic oil tank level. Check the fault message on the truck's screen after starting the vehicle and turning on the lighting and warning lamps. Visually inspect front and side warning lights. Perform visual checks of the rear warning lights meticulously with the help of a second person, and if everything is complete and smooth, we set off. It takes skill, patience, experience, but most of all caution to overcome difficult tasks. The vehicle we use makes us different from other vehicles due to the equipment built on it. For this reason, we inch forward on the roads with our clear intuition. We are prudent professional drivers who comply with traffic rules precisely, who take precautionary measures against possible dangers without taking risks, and who profess one of the most valuable occupations in the world. We have no chance of making mistakes. We have a lot of responsibilities, and expectations from us are high. We are the soldiers of projects that raise Turkey.